Hello everybody, I've got another story for you. Today is called Stop Snoring Bernard, read by the wonderful Mr. Winter. I'm dressed as an otter. We'll see how it works. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. We all love that. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. Snore! One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Gills had enough. Snore somewhere else, Bernard, he said. Bernard tried sleeping in the lake, but that didn't work. Snore! Stop snoring, Bernard! He tried sleeping in the fountain, but that didn't work either. Snore! Stop snoring, Bernard! He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. Snore! Stop snoring, Bernard. Bernard, or Bernard, was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place and curled up by himself and drifted off to sleep. Snore, snore, snore. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard! 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 The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats in the ceiling. Excuse me, he said. How did I sleep with all my snoring? We didn't, replied the bat. We were out all night. Now we're trying to sleep, so please don't snore here. Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate, but then he heard something. It was the other otters. We couldn't sleep without you, said Grumpy Gills. And I'm sorry I yelled at you. Please come back. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this one.